Good morning, everyone, especially to our very own dynamic instructor, Miss Gladys Mi Bailo Yeki. So before I start my video presentation, let me introduce myself. So I am Piolo Sipahe, a freshman student of Hingoog City Colleges, taking of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. So, mathematic language and symbol is essential. Appreciate its symbolic language because mathematic language can use its character of symbols to represent concept because in our daily doing and action, mathematics, operation, expression, and statement and the intention of operands in which the operation we perform because mathematic language is useful in real world to understand is to communicate each other. Mathematics is a way of problem solving and reasoning. Mathematics can teach us to enjoy life by appreciating its nature and can go on adventure even we are just sitting in our own chair and solving some mathematical problem that involve real life problem. Reasoning can help us to make independent choices and having a deep understanding. Mathematics is not a subject but a life that full of ideas and concept of formula that deals with direction and alignment in our purpose as human beings. Mathematic geometric design can easily understand like the carpenter. They build a different type of changes of home. The carpenters also use measurements to give specific measures of the home to make it balance. In a, in a mathematics, it also use codes like ATM cards, cell phones, appliances, and etc. They have a different codes that easily to ease to access each each one of us because nowadays we are now involving of technology where computers have their own codes to identify owners. Mathematics Mathematic in symmetry. Symmetry means to measure together. It implies that one shape because exactly just like the other after we move it in any way turn, flip or slide. Mathematics is symmetry as more precise definition and it's usually used to refer to an object that is invariant under some some transformation including translation, reflection, reflection and rotation or scaling. In symmetry, there is a line called imaginary line. It exists and passes through the center of any picture, shape, or object, and it is divided identical into two identical halves. Like for example, a butterfly. A butterfly has the same wings from left to right. Their wings looks identical to to each other to each huh? to each other even in the smallest of part of their body. Symmetry and symmetrical in mathematics are the same explanation, where both sides of the object are identical. If there is symmetrical, then there is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical, it is called the opposite, where the two sides are indifferent in some ways. Like for example, the malunggay leaves, we can see in the leaves that it has the same shape but goes in different and opposite sides. Therefore, we call it symmetry, where when both sides of the object are same. are the same are the same with the quotes. Mathematics is called around us. Whenever and whenever you see it is called about mathematics. And that's all. Thank you.